When you're near water, try exploring the sound of splashes.
Is that a big sound or a little sound?
Big sound.
Can you make a little sound now?
I'll find that.
Can you make a small sound?
You can take turns throwing rocks and guess their size by the sound of the splash.
You have to guess if I'm throwing a big one in or a small one. Was that big or small?
Big.
Big, okay. Your turn?
Try the same guessing game with different numbers of rocks.
How many did you throw?
4.
Was it one or more than one?
More than 1.
All right, now my turn. You close your eyes and see how many I throw. Okay? Close your eyes. Guess if I throw one or more than one. Okay?
Lots.
Lots.
This helps your child make connections between ideas like size and number while having fun learning.
2, 3.
Ooh. I like that sound.
Vroom, make any moment a brain building moment.